welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute. Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I'm here with Dr. Chris Moore. He's up in Buffalo, New York for our advanced 3-day course. Actually, you've been here 4 days because you came to shadow Dr. Shatkin yesterday, correct?
I sure did.
All right. So let me ask you this, Chris. You're in the advanced course today.
Right.
Tomorrow we have Gordon Christensen.
Yes.
He's going to be lecturing. And then Saturday we have Dr. Matthew Lasorsa talking about problem solving.
Absolutely.
So why did you see that schedule and come up to Buffalo? What made you come on up to Buffalo?
Well, I think it's very important when you're learning anything, especially with implants and mini implants in particular, you've got to get the training. I love coming up here. It's one of the most exciting training opportunities I've ever been around in my whole entire professional life. You meet lots of dentists from all over the country. They share their experiences. You learn so much, not only in the classroom, but also just out at dinner and things like that. Also, the opportunity to shadow with Dr. Shatkin, who's placed literally thousands upon thousands of implants. You're really learning from the best in the world. So that's why I come. It's to get better, you know.
Correct. So, and how many cases did you see yesterday during your dental day with Dr. Shatkin?
He probably saw 40 plus patients, but a lot of them were follow-up patients, but he had some really great surgery cases. He did 2 full arch cases where he placed the implants and he restored them with roundhouse restorations. And he had a few cases where he was placing 4 or more implants, replacing 2 or 3 teeth. And it was a very exciting day. The entire staff at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T is outstanding. So it's really a teamwork effort all the way around.
And I didn't pay you any money to say that, correct?
Absolutely not.
Okay, just checking. I'm just kidding. It's great because you work with Randy Staples a few days a week, correct?
Correct.
So, and Randy's been a Mini Implant Center of America for so many years now. And
Yes.
it's a great source of knowledge with Randy. I mean, so not only do you get Dr. Shatkin, but you get to see Randy as well.
Absolutely. Randy was one of the first centers. So I think
he was one of the very first
met
ones.
Dr. Shatkin maybe 2003, 2004,
Correct.
somewhere around there.
Yeah.
And so he's been doing implants and lecturing as a guest lecturer for many years.
Many years.
So I've been very fortunate to have met yourself and Dr. Shatkin at the AGD meeting
in Tennessee,
and meet Dr. Staples, and he's just been a great mentor for me, and it's really benefited all of our patients. So now they're getting this much needed treatment.
Yeah, that is excellent. And tomorrow, Gordon Christensen is going to be lecturing. What are you hoping to get out of Gordon's lecture tomorrow?
I can't wait. I have not heard Dr. Christensen speak on the mini implants, but I've heard him many years at ADA meetings, TDA meetings. He's not going to say anything that he doesn't firmly believe in. So it's backed by research. Mm-hmm. And so what he's going to say, and I know this, is that every dentist needs to be doing mini implants because there's not enough dentists to provide this service for our patients. So I'm just excited to see his thoughts and learn from him, and he's just an inspiration. So it's going to be a great day.
Right, and I know you also do LPRF down at your practice.
Correct.
And Matt Lasorsa on Saturday, he's going to be talking about problem solving, but he's also going to touch a little bit on LPRF, which he does do LPRF courses in Buffalo here and down in Orlando at his practice.
Right.
So. Tell me about going to a problem-solving course. Like you've done a lot of cases now, and as you move on, you come up with questions, correct?
Correct.
Hence you being here.
Right.
So having 8 to 9 hours with Dr. Lasorsa, just discussing what could happen when this happens, what do you do when this happens?
Right.
How beneficial is that?
Well, it's a necessity because you got to have the confidence to know when the patient comes in and there are problems, how do we help the patient with that issue? So sometimes it's the patient's ability to heal to an area. So it gives you the confidence to know how to troubleshoot it, You can always reach out to Dr. Shatkin, to yourself, Dr.
Yep.
LaSorsa, if you have questions about a particular situation, and help them, to be restored and get them back to full function and get them smiling and living again. And so I think those things are so important. So I think it's just, you're going to have issues in any procedures you do because, there's no guarantees, right? We're practicing dentistry. So, but we are striving for perfection. So I think that's the goal. We'll never achieve perfection, but we're trying to pursue excellence. I think that's what Vince Lombardi always
that is
said.
correct. I think I've heard that.
One of my favorite coaches of all time. So I think that's what we're trying to do here. And that's the environment that Dr. Shatkin has worked so hard along with the staff to create and help support the dentists who help their patients.
And that's very well said, my friend. So thank you very much, Dr. Moore, for talking to us at the Monday Morning Minute. And I think we got it, right?
That's right. Place more mini implants.
Yeah, that's it.